Okay, so thanks for joining us, everybody. I have here on the line with me Japreet Dath, who is the SC for carriers for Ixia, and myself, Sam Gabriel. I am the SC for ExtraHop for Eastern Canada. And today we just want to walk you through a demonstration of the ExtraHop deployment in OpenStack, accompanied by Ixia, that's providing us with the feeds, and just walk through the deployment and explain what we've done here. So that people can benefit from this. So I'll turn it over to Japreet to explain how we're deployed in OpenStack and walk us through that with their VTAP and their technology. And then at the very end, I'll switch it over to the ExtraHop screen so we can look through that as well. So over to you, Japreet.
Thank you, Sam. So first thing we have, guys, is the external network here, which is giving us access to the external vault from the OpenStack. And as you can see, this external network is connected to the management network that we created. And on the management network, we have a VTAP manager created, which is going to manage all the virtual taps in the environment. And we also have a ExtraHop appliance, which I'm sure Sam will talk about. And then we have two Ixia traffic generators here, so which are just generating the traffic between them. So they're sending traffic on this test network. Between them, it's the web traffic and HTTP traffic and FTP traffic. And they're talking to each other. And here we have a virtual tap. So what virtual tap is doing is being managed by Phantom VTAP. And the virtual tap is tapping into this network and monitoring these two VMs. Whatever the traffic is going between, east-west traffic going between these two VMs, virtual tap is monitoring them. And then we are putting some filters on the virtual tap, and then we are sending that traffic back to the EDA for more, the performance monitoring. And I'm going to go into the virtual tap GUI itself to show you how it looks.
So just sorry to interrupt, Japreet, for a second. So one thing to note here is the way we're actually delivering the packets to the EDA, and that is through ERSpan, correct?
That is correct. Yeah.
Yeah, so you're generating the ERSpan off of the VTAP, and then we're terminating it directly on the Discover appliance, right?
That is correct. Yeah. So
Perfect.
It's the ERSpan going on between Discover appliance and the VTAP, and I'll show you guys here. So, and this is the VTAP management that I was talking about. So it is sitting on the management network. So there are two things we have. The first thing we have is we have the inventory here for what are the different VMs exist in the environment, and then we have a capture policy. So we are deciding, okay, what kind of filtering rules we are applying, and what the VMs we are capturing the traffic from, or monitoring which VMs we are trying to monitor here. And then we have a forwarding policy. This is where you will see that we are forwarding all the traffic using ERSpan to ExtraHop IP address, which is a virtual ExtraHop device. We're sending that traffic to the virtual ExtraHop. And then this is, I will show you here quickly where how the traffic is flowing. So we are running very simple HTTP traffic, get and put, and also FTP traffic. And it's the traffic, as you can see, traffic is running FTP and HTTP. And if we go on now I will hand it over to you, Sam, if you wanna go through the ExtraHop devices.
Sure, I will do that. Okay, you see my screen, Japreet?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, perfect. So guys, now we're on the Discover appliance, the EDA, and from here we're just looking at the activity dashboard. And as you can see here, we can see the traffic coming in real time. We would stop the traffic here for a little bit, but now it's coming back in. So you can see web traffic, FTP, and other protocols that are coming through. And just your normal widgets and charts are showing up here and giving you performance metrics and so on. So if we go quickly to look at the devices that have been discovered, so all these devices that we've discovered, you can see, and also activity groups are running here. You can see we got 2 web servers and 2 web clients. You see some FTP as well. And on top of all that, we can go into the records as well. So we just click on web servers first, and then we can get into the details on the records. But you can see that the devices in the communication here, how many responses, and so on. So everything is running as expected, and we can go straight into the records, which is what I'm going to do right now. So now I'm on the EXA, on the Explorer appliance, and we've enabled flow records and also layer 7 records as well. So you can see here HTTP, for example, and here you go. You get clients, your servers, what method is being used, posts, some gets, the URI that's used for testing, and so on. So basically, what we've showed today is how you can deploy ExtraHop in OpenStack with the help of our friends at Ixia, and how they're able to get the data from the OpenStack environment and send it to ExtraHop through or using ER-span. So thanks again for watching, everybody. And if you have any questions, please let us know. And that's a wrap.